Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the media upload quality on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down and click on storage and data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and here you can find the media upload quality feature, where you can choose the quality of media files that you are about to send. Here you have three options: auto, which is the recommended feature, option, then best quality, and data saver. As you can see, best quality media are larger and can take longer to send. So tap on the relevant one, and when a checkmark icon appears next to it on the right side of the screen, it means that it has been selected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.